Are you struggling with pastel or charcoal pencil or oil on canvas, or you keep drawing every day and you are not getting results? These are the 5 mistakes most artists do. They keep drawing picture, but in as much as you are drawing thousands of them, but you're not getting it right. And with this little tips can help you elevate and take your art to the next level. So watch this video till the end. Get your jotter and let's discuss the some of the few tips most of the artists get it wrong and they keep drawing every day, but they are not having the result. If it's your first time coming across this channel, subscribe and stay tuned for more how to perfect your drawing. Let's go. Creating amazing artwork like this, first of all, number one, you need to sketch. You don't just get a paper and start sketching. First of all, before you want to draw, you already have an idea or gotten that which you want to draw, being object or a figure. You understand? So you don't just draw, you need to get the reference of what you want to do. Secondly, get your paper, and you can't just draw. There's some paper we use in creating artwork, whether you're using pastel or you are using charcoal pencil. If you can see, this is black and white. This is charcoal pencil on chipboard. Here, this is chipboard I use on creating this thing. So you cannot just use a anyhow paper to create this particular artwork. And there are some pencil, there are some materials using in particular artwork. That is not number 3. You get the right paper. Sorry, number 1, you sketch the work. You get, sketching the work, you already gotten the right paper to sketch on it. Then secondly, the tools you use in the particular work, whether it's pastel or charcoal pencil, you understand? So after getting those material, this one I've just mentioned, charcoal pencil, chipboard paper, then your charcoal dust, then you sketch what you want to draw with your reference, then you start shading. The same thing applies to pastel and oil on canvas, you understand? So if you apply these tips that I just mentioned here, and you will see a difference. These are just the tips that you have to know them. First of all, that which you want to draw, you have to understand the pattern of drawing that you want to do. That is pastel or charcoal pencil or oil on canvas. You understand what I'm saying? So these are just the little tips. If you watch this video up till now, comment, tell me what you think of it, give me a thumbs up, understand, tell me where you're watching from. I hope you learned something today for this tutorial today. So see you in my next video.